Alert for every single Indian who's dreaming of working in the United States right now. A major warning just came from the US Embassy in India, and it is shaking up the visa applicants around the globe. You're watching Times XP. My name is Vritti Atri, and this is not a routine notice. It is a global visa earthquake. The US government has issued a worldwide alert for H-1B and H-4 visas, meaning that everybody who's applying for anywhere in the world must pay attention. Let me tell you what triggered this alert. Starting December 15th, the United States expanded how it checks the US visa applicants online. No, this isn't just about paperwork, it's deep digital screening. Social media checks, they are now official rules. Every H-1B and H-4 applicant will have their online presence reviewed, including their Facebook posts, Instagram stories, LinkedIn profile, old emails and phone numbers, and public digital footprints. Well, this is not optional screening anymore. It's now part of a standard global vetting process. Let me tell you what this means for you. Visa processing is slowing down, and that too a lot. What used to take a few weeks, it might take few months now. Hundreds, possible thousands of Indian professionals, they are already seeing interview postponed for months. In fact, appointments rescheduled, travel plans thrown into chaos, jobs on hold, families separated longer than expected. But you know why US is doing this? Well, Washington says that this new checking system is meant to prevent misuse of fraud in H-1B program, strengthen national security, in fact ensure only eligible, genuine applicants enter the US. Officials insist that they still want high-skilled workers, but they want to make sure that the system isn't taking advantage of. But it has global effects, not just in India. The alert affects H-1B and H-4 applicants worldwide, whether you're in Asia, Europe, Africa, or the Americas. Visa applicants everywhere are now being warned that apply early, expect delays, and prepare for extra digital screening here. But tech companies, they are really worried. Major American tech employers are not ignoring this. Companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, they have quietly advised their international employees to avoid travel for now. Why? Because if you leave the US for stamping, you might not return quickly due to unexpected delays. Now, here's a quick suggestion what the applicants should do right now. Visa experts and advocates say that apply as early as possible, make all social media accounts public for vetting, clean up any old posts that could be misinterpreted, avoid cancelling visa dates, reschedule them very properly. Keep checking updates from the US Embassy. But there's more trouble in the visa world. These changes are happening against a backdrop of even broader policy shift. The US has changed how H-1B visas are chosen, now prioritizing higher wage earners and skilled workers. Another major challenge affecting Indian professionals. Second, visa interview slots, they are limited due to the new social media vetting, meaning that there are long waits and severe backlogs. In the end, this is no small update. This is a global visa shakeup that could affect your job offer, your travel plan, your future in the United States. If you are an H-1B or H-4 visa applicant, this alert is one of the biggest immigration news story of 2025, and the clock is ticking.